Hello everybody, King Troller here at Tower Bridge on a very strong windy day. Okay, you can see River Thames over there. Just now I just saw an Uber boat pass by. Okay, you can see that big ship over there. And that bridge only opens for whenever that big ship goes through. Okay, over there is Butler's Wharf. Over there are the old buildings. Up there are the access through the Tower Bridge Explorer, and up there is the aircraft that might be the British Airways. Okay, over there there's like a booth that says Explore inside Tower Bridge. Okay, the time now is 8:59 and now it's 9 o'clock. Okay, looks like they're still building some construction over there for the future of London. Okay, over there is River Thames. Okay, that's that Uber boat. Okay. Okay, I never walked through a bridge on London before, but actually it's my first time. And I can't believe it that's on a strong wind. And I can't believe it that's on a strong windy day. Uh-oh, looks like the sun is gonna rise soon. Okay, over here is where the bridge will open when the big ship comes through. Okay, as you can step on the window, you can hear a little bang sound as it's not so solid. You hear it? Okay, as you can see the London bus over there, let me zoom my camera for you to see. Okay, it's at Westminster. No, there you see the stock over there. That might be Big Ben. Okay, this is the last part of Tower Bridge that I'm walking. Okay, up there's like a pigeons party, cause there are 4 pigeons, like a party. Oh yeah, because the other time when I went to St. James Park, I saw a pigeon party on a tree branch. There are like 7 pigeons around there as average. Okay, I'm at the end of Tower Bridge. Okay, that's it.